Nothing beats an original, especially in the automotive world. In 2010, with the introduction of Chevrolet's fifth-generation pony car, the value of first-generation Camaros started trending upward. And in 2014, with the reintroduction of the brutal Z28, the value of vintage Zs was practically canonized. Rocking 68 exclusive Corvette bronze paint, a rotisserie restoration, and a numbers-matching 302 small block, this documented first-generation Z28 is the quintessential blue-chip muscle car. When it comes to history and desirability, this Z28 is hard to beat. Its original 302 offers all the classic rumble you would ever want. Its rugged Muncie 4-speed turns up the fun factor, and its Corvette bronze finish provides unique and refreshing appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.